Hi everyone, take a mask and cut a small piece of it. Now we are going to sew all the petals together. So make more petals and put it inside this needle. Make more such flowers. Now we are going to make multiple cut on another piece of mask. Roll it and put the flowers like this. Roll the flower using floral tape and make more such flowers and it's ready. Look at these white flowers, let's make it. Cut 5 such petals and paste all of them together. Now we are making more such flowers. Put all of them inside this green stick like this. Cover it using green leaves using floral tape and it's done. We are going to use this empty bottle. So cut the shape of the petal like this. Give it shape using fire. Look at it. We are going to make multiple cut on another piece of bottle. Paste all the flowers together using hot glue gun and look, it's done. In this video, we are going to make wheat stalk using pistachio shells. So color all of them yellow. Now take yellow crepe paper, roll it and put it inside the pistachio shell like this. Now put all of them on this yellow stick, paste one after another like this and look, the wheat stalk is ready. Similar way, we are going to roll it using yellow floral tape and it's done. In this video, we are going to use this purple ribbon. We are going to remove the thread like this. After that, cut it and paste it on this double-sided tape. It's done. Remove the white portion and roll it around this green stick. And look, it's ready. We are going to paste the leaves. Roll it around floral tape and look, your flowers are ready. Let's use pistachio shells. We are going to make beautiful flowers. Dip it inside this orange color. Make multiple cut on this crepe paper. Roll it around green stick and paste all the pistachio shells around it. Your flowers are ready. You can make more such colorful flowers and it's done. We need these materials. We're going to peel the garlic and make a beautiful flower out of it. So cut the petals and paste all of them one after another using double-sided tape. Put the stick and cover it using floral tape and look, your beautiful flowers are ready. Let's use these empty plastic bottles. We are going to make beautiful flowers out of it. So cut the petals and give it shape using lighter. Look at it. We are going to make more such petals and paste all of them one after another like we are doing here around this green stick and look, your flowers are ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make these yellow flowers using maize seed. We are going to remove the seeds, paste all of them together using hot glue gun and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers. After this, we are going to roll it using floral tape. Put all of them inside this vase and look, it's done. We are going to make orange flowers using fruit foam net. We are going to roll it, cut it and make a pom-pom ball. After this, make the petals using crepe paper. Cut it, your flowers are ready. We are going to put all of them inside this pom-pom ball and look at the beautiful flowers. Let's make this cherry tree using fruit foam net. So take this red foam net, tie it and make a pom-pom ball. We are going to make multiple cut on this crepe paper. Put it inside this pom-pom ball and look, your cherries are ready. You can make the tree later. Let's make these beautiful flowers. So remove the shell, make the petals. We're going to make 9 such petals. Make multiple cut on this orange straw, roll it and make a small flower. After this, paste all the petals around it using hot glue gun and look, your flower is ready. Paste the green stick, make more such flowers. Put it inside this vase and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.